Me and my nigga in this bitch. Me and my nigga in this bitch. My nigga Dave. You know what I mean? Y'all already know who this is. Monte. My camera is fucked up today, but whatever. It's gonna let me film this way, so I might as well just film the sneaks, huh? You know what I mean? Yeah. Huh? Nigga, who the fuck you talking to? I run up in your house and I destroy you. 40 blocks on my waist, nigga, not how it tastes. I ain't playing no games, I spray it like it's mace. Ooh, that boy got it. Hell yeah, boy, I spot it. I don't really give a fuck, yeah, Scotty too hotty. Body your body, I'm jumping off the roof. Niggas beating Pikachu. I don't give a fuck, electroshock a pussy, nigga, what it do? Let me calm down for a minute. Niggas snapping on this Detroit shit. Yeah, I'm the truth and I ain't playing this bitch. These niggas looking like a lame in this bitch. Hell yeah, I can smell that shit. Pussy, little Debbie is hiring for you cookies. Little cupcakes, you soft motherfucker. Nigga, what's up? Say it to my face. Run up if you want to. I transform like I'm Goku. That Super Saiyan 2. I'm that new shit. Oh yeah, I did this. Calm down. Nigga, I done killed this. My nigga Nick just walked in with that new shit. Banging in the hood. Every day we lie. Oh wow. Nigga, sit back and smile. I'm that new guy. Fresh, crispy like French fries. Nigga. BDS Monte, nigga. The fuck?